It's on the edge of the Antarctic ice sheet, where the ice sheet goes off the land and then extends out into the sea. And we've got a British Antarctic Survey station situated on the ice shelf, which has been doing scientific experiments there for many years. So as of last night, we had some communication from our remote instruments on the ice shelf informing us that part of the ice shelf, approximately the size of Greater London, calved off at around about 7 to 8 p.m. last night. So the ice shelves around Antarctica are flowing extensions of the Antarctic ice sheet. So they do periodically extend out to sea and then break off. This one has been doing that for a number of years now, but we had in 2017 and then more recently the very rapid development of cracks, so overnight development of large cracks across the ice shelf, which made us aware that it was vulnerable to a collapse event and a calving event. And so we increased the intensity of our monitoring of that ice shelf. It's now one of the most intensely monitored ice shelves in Antarctica. So it's a natural event. It's not linked to climate change. Some of the ice shelves that have broken up in more northerly locations are the result of climate change, but this one is further south and it's well below freezing there, so it's not linked to any changes in atmospheric or ocean temperatures. The reason it's important, it's a very large calving event for Antarctica. We do see these sort of calving events periodically, and also the ice shelf, our station was situated on the piece of ice shelf that has broken away. So had we not moved it several years ago, we would have been in a situation now where we have a station floating off. So ice shelves on their own, a lot of them are already, their mass is already supported by the ocean, so they're already floating. So when they melt, it's a bit like ice in a gin and tonic. It doesn't actually change the level of the water significantly. So this in itself is not going to contribute to sea level, but elsewhere in Antarctica, where the ice shelves are accelerating off the continent, the inland ice also follows it, and so overall the accelerating ice shelves in parts of Antarctica that are warmer is contributing to sea level rise.